to my channel. Today we are going to do another unboxing, but this time it's a planner. Let's get started. So I got a Filofax Calipso in compact size. I got it in color black and it says it's made in India. Let's open the box. So when you open the box, it should look like this, and it has this covering on top. There you go. Let me remove it. So it also has this plastic covering. Let me remove it as well. There you go. Let me show you the front, the back, the side, the top, and the bottom. So it's a full grain leather, and it has a contrasting croc print on the side. So when you open the planner, you'll see 4 card slots on the left side, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and it has 1 vertical slip pocket. It also has 1 full depth pocket on the left side of the planner. Let's go on the right side. So you'll be able to see 1 vertical zip pocket on the right side of the planner. I forgot to mention about this stretchable pen loop on the left side. So it has this frosted document pocket. It's this clear dashboard. You'll see some note paper in blue, green, and pink. It also comes with dividers. It's numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in blue and in green. It also comes with a 2021 weekly diary. When you flip it, you'll also see a ruler. And again, another clear dashboard on the back. There you go. So this is my Filofax Calipso in compact size in the color black. What are my first impressions with this planner? I'm actually surprised the way that this planner was organized. Usually when I buy a planner from Filofax, this top loading document pocket, it's usually at the back part of the planner, and as you see, there are like blue, green, and pink notepads. It also should come with the white one, the note paper. It comes with the graphing paper, the blank paper with the contacts to do. So again, it's missing on this planner, so I'm not sure if this planner was returned or not, but it doesn't matter. I am not going to use the inserts, so the inserts doesn't matter to me. But based on how much we paid it for, we really got a good deal out of it. But if this is something that you want to use, just make sure that all the inserts are complete. You can go to the Filofax website. It would detail whatever is in the planner, so you know where to refer to, like what is missing on your planner, and contact your customer service in case you need it. But all in all, I'm very happy with this purchase. So what do I love about this planner? Number 1, it's compact. Number 2, I got it on sale, which is $36.05. And number 3, it has a croc print on the side. Overall, I really love this planner. So before buying anything, I always do my research because I tend to change my mind when it comes to planners. Like one day I want to use this planner, the next day I want to use a different one. So it's really hard to find a good planner that would suit your needs. So this one, I believe I'll be able to use it since it's very compact. Every time I need it, I could just grab it and put it inside my bag along with my Filofax croc in pocket size, or even my Louis Vuitton agenda in PM size or the small size. So it's something that I could carry around with me if I need it. And then nothing could go wrong with the sale price that I got it. If you are going to ask me if I will buy this planner at its regular price, the answer would be no. I will buy the dividers and the inserts inside, so I know I will be spending more money for the inserts instead of the planner itself. So buying this at a low price would give me more flexibility in buying the inserts, the dashboards, the journaling cards inside. So if price is something that is in question, I would always buy it on sale. I mean, I usually don't buy it on a regular price because we have to be smart in buying stuff. Like if you know that you're going to buy inserts, more inserts, dashboards, dividers, then you could always get it on sale. Just do your research. You can always look for something. You can buy it used. You could search the planner community. There's a big planner community out there who could help you if you have any questions about different planners. But again, if it's the price, I would definitely buy this one at its sale price, not at its regular price. So again, do your research. Before you buy anything, do your research, because it's hard if you buy something and then you return it. So you have to know what you really want. You could watch a lot of YouTube videos, and then you could research or Google it and see if there's any blogs about the different kinds of planners, different kind of materials, the brands. So going back to this planner, I would get it on its sale price. So I will put the links in the description box below. If there's any other website that offers this planner at a sale price, I would definitely link it. So if you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you guys for watching, and see you on my next video.